Thank you, Destiny. Breaking news at the First Alert Desk right now. We know that millions of people in Taiwan, Hong Kong, and China have all been impacted by Typhoon Ragasa. This is a new video here that I'm showing you. It shows some of the flooding and those downed trees that were left behind when this storm blew in on Tuesday right through Southeast Asia. Now, this morning it's being called the most powerful storm on the planet this year. It's killed 14 people in Taiwan so far. We're continuing to monitor this situation at the First Alert Desk. I'm Jazz Williams.